freaking head. Where'd you take us? Yeah. And who's that person? Oh, him? We don't need him. Wow, that was kind of rude of you. That was like extremely rude. Where is it? This is freaking dirty, bro. Do you need to clean this area? Stop. What are you here? And who are you? Well, the reason why I'm here is to make you guys compete in a game show. What for? To win a prize. I don't like the way that this man's talking. Well, what's the prize? Funny West. Let me go get it. Wow, it doesn't even have it ready. Imagine. It's big red boots. I'm gonna take that back since he was very quick on that. I don't freaking know, bro. So, you down? Sure, yeah, sure. But like, will there be episodes? Yes. How much? I don't know, that's for the viewers to decide. Viewers? What do you mean viewers? Well, this is gonna be posted on YouTube. Without our consent? Jeez, bro, this guy's a real wackadoodle. Is he okay? He's fine. Let me go get him. You okay? No. He's A-okay. Okay, so basically every episode, there will be 4 people that loses a challenge. Because I'm going to make up challenges. You guys have to do them. If you finish the challenge first, and there's 4 safe spots, then you win. And the viewers will decide who will be eliminated. That went a lot smoother in my head. Okay, so shall we start? No, because I don't like you. Like, why are you just come over here? And why do I have like pepperoni grease on the back of me? The 3D printer made you, not me. I don't know what you're talking about. We're made by Yeah, like these 2 right here. Here are y'all limbs. His legs snapped off, so I don't even know what happened. What happened to this leg? And your leg came off, so yeah. Oh my god, you're a copy. No, I'm not. Oh my god, bro. Calm that down. Ugh. Sorry, guys. I'm a bit sick right now. 6 feet, please. Jeez, you don't have to be so rude. Did we just start already? Yes. The first challenge is catch this bunny. There will be 4 bunnies scattered around. You gotta find them all. So here's a freebie. Whoever can get it first. Go. Yeah, I got it. No. No. Oh yeah, I forgot to ask for names. Montage time. Bob, Timothy, Johnny's, Mike, Billy, Jacob, Fred, Preston, and this is 3D printed battle. Also, this is the prize. Was that the intro? Yes. Anyways, Billy is safe. Come on. Ah! Has to be another bunny. Has to be another bunny. Got me. Not me, Jacob. What are you doing? I'm just gonna... Hey, no, you stay back. Youchie. Dang it. Not so fast. Rubbery. Ah! Huh? Oh, we're Raggy. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Come back here! Mike is safe. Gotta find one now. Why, dude? Dude, get out of the way, get out of the way! Why? Buddy, you're mine! Dang it. Wait, a bunny, just for me. And Fred is safe. Sorry for the background noise. My brother won't get out of my room. One more safe spot left. Oh, come on in, Mr. Bunny. Nobody will find you right here. It's mine! Nope. Mine. No! And Bob, you are safe. Where are the other bunnies? I lied. There's only one bunny. Wait, what? Hello, everybody. Vote the people with, I forgot the Johnny's A up in there. Okay, so just in square brackets, vote to eliminate. You gotta type square bracket, first square bracket. Type the name that you want, person eliminated with capital letters, and then put the other square bracket. So, yeah, that's really all you have to do. Voting ends in 5 hours because I feel like it, and because, this is actually going to happen daily. If I can even get videos out on time, which I can never do. So,